Can I use my Apple Balance for all in-app purchases?
Welcome to this video. Today, we'll be answering the question, can I use my Apple Balance for all in-app purchases? We'll discuss what Apple Balance is, how to use it, and the types of in-app purchases you can make with it.
What is Apple Balance?
Apple Balance refers to the credit you have in your Apple ID account. This credit can be added by redeeming Apple gift cards, iTunes gift cards, or by receiving store credit from Apple. Apple Balance can be used to purchase items from the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, or to pay for subscriptions like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, or Apple Arcade.
Can Apple Balance be used for in-app purchases?
Yes, Apple Balance can be used for in-app purchases. This includes purchasing additional content, services, or functionality within apps and games. It's important to note that the availability of in-app purchases may vary depending on the app and your location.
How do I use my Apple Balance for in-app purchases?
To use your Apple Balance for in-app purchases, follow these steps. 1. Open the app where you'd like to make the purchase. 2. Navigate to the in-app store or the section offering the desired purchase. 3. Select the item you want to buy and tap the purchase button. 4. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use your preferred authentication method, Face ID, Touch ID, etc. 5. The cost of the purchase will be deducted from your Apple Balance.
Are there any limitations when using Apple Balance for in-app purchases?
In general, Apple Balance can be used for most in-app purchases. However, there may be some exceptions or limitations depending on your location and specific apps. For instance, you may not be able to use Apple Balance for certain subscriptions, in-app currencies, or real-world goods and services offered through apps. In conclusion, you can use your Apple Balance for most in-app purchases. This allows you to buy additional content, services, or functionality within apps and games using the credit in your Apple ID account. However, always remember that availability and usage may vary depending on your location and the app in question. Happy shopping!